Good afternoon. Thanks for taking the time out of today to join today's session on how you can grow your Veeam business and to learn more about our VCSP program. We have a great agenda for you today. And with that, I'm going to introduce our speaker, Stafford McCarthy, to take it away.
Thank you, Hannah. Good morning, good afternoon, partners, and welcome to the April 25th, 2024 edition of the VCSP Business Enablement webinar. I'm your host, Stafford McCarthy, and I will be leading you through today's presentation. A little bit of background on me. Personally, I've been with Veeam for 5 going on 6 years. I've been with the VCSP team the entire time. I've seen it grow substantially over the last 5 years, and today I'm going to be informing you on why you need to become a VCSP partner in our community. So a little bit about this webinar. You were automatically muted on entry. If you have any questions along the way, please use the Q&A in the chat, and Hannah will be able to answer any of your questions. We will post the recording and the presentations on the Veeam Pro Partner Portal. So if you wanted to view the recording, you can do so. So today's agenda, we're going to be giving you an introduction to Veeam. We're going to be going over the market opportunity with Veeam. I'll discuss more on how to partner with Veeam. I'll discuss more about the Pro Partner tools and resources that we have out on the Veeam Pro Partner Portal, and then we'll discuss next steps. First, let's dig into an introduction on Veeam and the market opportunity for backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service. Veeam is the leader in our space. As the #1 global market leader in data protection and ransomware recovery, organizations everywhere trust us to keep their most important asset available anytime, anywhere. They, like us too, we have a market-leading Net Promoter Score of 75, which shows remarkably high customer satisfaction with Veeam's cyber resiliency solutions, and we're Gartner's Magic Quadrant for the 7th year in a row. Finally, Veeam addresses the needs of large, complex enterprises. In fact, 4 out of 5 Fortune 500 companies, 81% of them really, choose Veeam to keep their business up and running. With the Veeam-powered cloud services, you can tap into the profitability of Veeam-powered cloud services by partnering with our extensive network. You can harness cloud opportunities and grow recurring revenue streams by leveraging experienced partners. Through reselling cloud services, you can actually utilize another Veeam cloud and service provider's clouds and enter the market without owning or investing in your own infrastructure. You can test the water then, and you can see if you'd like to invest further in cloud technology and then become a VCSP or a Veeam Cloud and Service Provider partner. Or you can partner with the VCSP in your area to resell their cloud services to your customers. Reach out to your local VCSP representative for the best in breed partners to partner with. This slide, you'll see there are multiple use cases for which you can use Veeam. It all depends on what your service offerings will cover. You can do all of it with Veeam. So Veeam offers backup as a service solutions specifically designed for Microsoft Office 365. As businesses increasingly rely on Microsoft 365 for their productivity and collaboration needs, ensuring data protection for their critical cloud-based information becomes essential. Veeam offers both managed backup and offsite backup solutions to meet the data protection needs of businesses. Both managed backup and offsite backup solutions are critical components of a comprehensive data protection strategy. Managed backup allows businesses to leverage the expertise of service providers, while offsite backup adds an additional layer of resilience and disaster recovery preparedness by storing backups in a remote location. Combining these approaches provides businesses with a robust and reliable data protection ecosystem. Cloud backup and disaster recovery as a service. Now, with Veeam Cloud Connect, businesses can extend their data protection to the cloud, offering backup and disaster recovery services solutions. The flexibility and feature-rich nature of Veeam make it suitable for a wide array of use cases, enabling businesses to tailor their data protection strategy to meet their specific requirements. Whether it's on-premise, in the cloud, or a hybrid cloud environment, Veeam can play a crucial role in ensuring data availability, data security, and data recoverability. All of these use cases you'll see on the screen have a connective services offering we call universal services. Veeam's technology lends itself to ensure that workloads can be easily migrated or ported from one cloud to another. Additionally, Veeam's native integrations with storage, networking, cloud administration, and RMM and PSA tools help to run an automated, efficient services stack. And for those wanting to seamlessly integrate backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service offerings into their broader portfolio, APIs serve an important function as the connection to nearly any homegrown or third-party technology. There are literally 4 routes to market for our VCSPs, and here they are. You can refer, right, which will give you an opportunity to add additional profit from each on-premise perpetual sale. But the challenge here is to rationalize commission structures and update marketing materials. You can choose to resell, which will add an additional top-line revenue stream. But the challenge here is you have to manage small periodic billing collection from customers. You can choose to white label, which will give you an opportunity to maintain full control of the customer relationship. But the challenge here is you'll have to establish service level agreements and create a managed services workforce. Or you can choose to host, right, which will maximize your margins and give you full control over your products, your service quality. But the challenge with hosting is having to acquire and maintain the environments, which will include the products, facilities, and the infrastructure. You choose how you want to go to market, and we'll best support you. Next, we'll dig into the Veeam Cloud and Service Provider partner programs and the benefits and resources available to you to help you maximize your profitability. Within Veeam, Cloud and Service Provider partners not only leverage innovative solutions, but they gain a true partner dedicated to helping them build reliable, revenue-generating service offerings. Within the VCSP partner program, we have tiered partner levels, so you can grow with Veeam. So does your eligibility for exclusive benefits and levels for support from the Veeam team. These partner tiers are designed to meet the needs of our service providers at every step of your partnership with us. Benefits and requirements that recognize the exact investment and commitment that you have to offer. Approved partner tiers depend on whether a service provider has signed a volume rental agreement or a VRA with us and a point level commitment. These tiers also provide flexibility for partners not looking to commit to a point plan, as well as increased benefits for partners investing in building emerging technologies with us. Let's see, did I go over that one? So that's the same slide, I believe. Yeah, same slide. Sorry about that. New this year is Veeam. We have added a deal registration for our VCSP partners. This program is designed to protect your opportunities from competing channel partners, and it's available for partners at silver level and above. Deal registration is available through the Pro Partner portal, and you can check out the linked resources on these slides to learn more. And why is this important to our VCSP partners? It's going to offer you a clear process for assigning ownership of your opportunities. It's going to, again, protect you from competing channel partners. The VCPP, which is the Veeam Customer Protection Policy, is new this year, and it ensures that the Veeam sales representatives are aware of which customers are purchasing from our VCS partners, which is going to protect you and your business in the long run. Showcase that your VCSP service offerings have met the highest standards of technical expertise with what's called the Veeam Competency Program. Once qualifications have been verified, a partner may display this designated competency logo badge in accordance with Veeam brand guidelines and market their achievements using the provided messaging and social media guides. New this year, the previous offsite backup competency has been updated and rebranded to offsite backup for ransomware resiliency. That was done to meet Veeam's latest best practices to help organizations recover from ransomware. You can check out the linked resources on this page to learn more. Let's hit on the product offerings that are available for our service providers. Every business needs to back up their data offsite, whether that be for long-term storage or quick recovery in case of a disaster. Companies continue to look for easier, cheaper, and more flexible alternatives to maintaining their own offsite data storage. This is why backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service continue to gain a lot of momentum. Veeam Cloud Connect gives you all the functionality you need to save the day for your customers, no matter where their data resides, with fast and secure backup and replication to the cloud. Plus, your Veeam powered services stay front and center so you can be their hero. Monitoring and analytics. I think I need to click here. There we go. Monitoring and analytics can enhance any backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service offering you a delivering today. Veeam One for service providers provides a comprehensive monitoring and analytics solution for backup and virtual environments, including Veeam Cloud Connect and Veeam Backup for Office 365. You can gain access to automation and diagnostics, capacity planning, and forecasting. The latest edition of the Veeam Threat Center gives you the confidence that backups are clean and free from any malware, okay? Which is extremely important in today's environment. The Veeam Cloud and Service Provider console packages everything you need to run a backup as a service business, complete with remote monitoring and management, as it offers an intelligent user interface to manage all of your backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service workloads, all from a central location. So this is going to be your single pane of glass that gives you insight into all of your client environments from one spot. It offers the ability to onboard new customers, manage licensing, and calculate usage consumption. It also provides the capability to create invoices to bill for services that your customers are consuming. It's also a very automated product that is API ready. So for those of you that are already have either their own platforms that can integrate in the console data right into those workflows without needing to take the time to learn a new user interface. VCSP Pulse, this is our licensing and automation platform, right? So now the Veeam Service Provider console, it integrates with VCSP Pulse, which allows you to generate and manage product licenses via the Veeam Service Provider console user interface. This provides the ability to create rental license keys and assign them to your customers, allocate license points to your reseller partners, and provides the ability to deploy license keys from a centralized user interface. You can find out more information on these offerings and how you can successfully build and grow your Veeam powered services offering with our VCSP Success Center on our Veeam Pro Partner portal. In each partner success kit, you're going to find specific technical quick start guides, sales enablement resources, free trials, an ROI calculator, and much, much more. New this year is what's called our competitive credit or competitive migration credit for partners who are on a competitive data protection solution. We're offering you the ability to migrate to Veeam for free. Okay. We make it easy to switch from your current vendor. So any cloud and managed, any cloud and managed services workload to Veeam, if you move that over from a competing vendor, you're going to receive free Veeam credit on usage until the end of your remaining contract with your current vendor, or up to 12 months, whichever comes first. I've been using this a lot to take partners that are on legacy backup solutions that are outdated, whether that be Commvault, StorageCraft, Datto. This is a great resource for you to come over to Veeam and migrate for free. So a few additional tools and resources we wanted to highlight for you today. We wanted to highlight these additional resources that are available to you on our Veeam Pro Partner portal. This is, your Bible for everything related to Veeam, right? So key sections for this group are Manage My Business, where you can register a deal, you can do maintenance renewals, you can access partnership resources and program overviews. We have the solutions, we have the product launch resource center, use cases and product toolkits, backup as a service and disaster recovery as a success toolkits, and a list of our technology and alliance partnerships. Under sales resources, you're going to see pricing and licensing. You'll see competitive intelligence, partner powered videos, and also the sales success center. Under the marketing section, you're going to see the marketing center. You'll have the marketing concierge. You have content syndication, access to MDF funds. Under the technical and pre-sales section, you'll see the VCSP technical hub, which is new, and it's amazing for you to go out, test Veeam, really from the Pro Partner portal. You can download NFR licenses. You can have access to the Veeam accredited service provider success center. And then the technical success center, it's going to have certifications, and also the learning and events, right? Where you can access Veeam IQ, you'll access the VMSP and the VMTSP, which I'll get into more here on the next slide or the next slide after that. the VMCE, which is Veeam for certified engineers, the VMCA, which is Veeam for certified architects. You can get access to all of those webinars and all of those events. A little bit of more information about the training Veeam offers in that learning and events section. We see that channel partners who are trained beyond compliance requirements see significant benefits. 65% of gold and platinum partners train beyond compliance requirements and have 3 or more VMCE trained people. They see 3 times net new business compared to their competitors with 2 or fewer VMCE trained people. They do a larger volume of new Veeam business transactions with a 34% increase in average transaction sale. 14% of registered and silver partners have 1 or more VMCE trained people. They see 2.5 times new Veeam business on their competitors with no VMCE trained people. They do a larger volume of new Veeam business transactions with a 50% increase in average transaction value. And also, last but not least, we see 19% of our Veeam Cloud and Service Providers with 1 or more persons that have VMCE trained. They get 6 times the annual rental revenue over ones that aren't trained, right? So here, this slide really attests to investing in your people, investing in our education and training platforms. It's going to equal more Veeam revenue in the future. Here's the structure of our training and certifications for VCSP. There are really two paths, right? You have sales, which is Veeam for sales professionals, and technical, which is Veeam for technical sales professionals. To complete the trainings, you must complete the foundations module and then and cloud and service provider module, and then one learning stream. You can select which one is most relevant for your business, okay? And then you get a badge that you can showcase to your clients that shows them that you are VMSP and VMTSP certified for 2024. For our advanced trainings, which is the VMCE, we've launched a new version this year that is tailored specifically for our VCSPs. Completion of the certification demonstrates proficiency in implementing and delivering backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service solution. It's going to be a 4-day instructor-led or on-demand lecture and hands-on lab for anyone responsible for Veeam. It's going to give you those core skills for the effective administrator, being able to configure and manage the Veeam for success. Next, I wanted to call out a few marketing resources that are available to our partners in the Veeam Marketing Center. This is your one-stop shop for co-marketing with Veeam. You can access a wide array of marketing tools designed to help you accelerate demand and grow your Veeam business. The marketing tactics are ready-made, co-brandable, customizable, and easy to use. Access to our Marketing Center platform and support is for silver VCSPs and above, but we do have a few downloadable resources available for our registered VCSPs to get you started. With Veeam Partner Perks, our gold and platinum VCSPs can earn even more with Veeam. It's just another benefit of continuing to grow your business with Veeam. So you're going to get rewarded for being a loyal member of the Pro Partner program. It'll have you complete various activities and partner perks, and you can earn points towards merchandise, gift cards, reloadable Visa gift cards, and much, much more. Here are a look at the incentives that are currently running this quarter for our gold and platinum VCSPs. Register a qualifying deal and earn $100. Close a qualifying deal and earn up to $300. Please note that a 2023 or a 2024 certification is needed in order to be eligible for these promotions. More information on the requirements on how to claim can be found on the Partner Perks page of the Pro Partner Portal. Here, this slide is just outlining our social networks, right? You'll find us on X, or formerly Twitter. You'll find us on Instagram. You'll find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and of course, YouTube, right? Great way just to keep up with white papers and accelerate sales and really just stay ahead of all of the changes that are happening so often here at Veeam, because we're constantly coming out with upgrades. We're constantly coming out with, making acquisitions to showcase where we're headed as a company. So this is a great area for you to stay in connection with us. Also, we have a new VCSP LinkedIn showcase page. This was designed for our VCSP partners. You can follow us for real-time updates, including relevant company news, upcoming events, activities, and much, much more. And I can't finish this presentation without mentioning our Veeam conference that is happening in Fort Lauderdale, June 3rd through the 5th. Some of you may know about this famous conference called Veeam, but here you can tap into community of Veeam experts. You can connect with data protection peers and visionaries, and you can stay ahead of trends that will define the future of data protection, data security, and data intelligence. So as we round out this webinar, our call to actions and next steps to get you started today, we'd like for you to register as a service provider in the Veeam Pro Partner Portal. And you can start planning with one of our sales reps around the services you would like to offer and start growing your business with Veeam. Please feel free to reach out to me directly via email. I would be more than happy to answer any of your questions or connect you with the correct resource for your territory. And that's it. Thank you all for joining today, and make it a great Thursday. Thank you.